Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a shopping haul. This is actually a collab video with several girls here on YouTube. In this collab, we have homemaking channels, we have fitness, we have makeup and beauty, anything and everything that you could think of, it's in this collab. But before we begin, I want to thank Jessica MyRose. I will link her YouTube channel in the description box below. She is the host of this collaboration, this shopping haul collab, and I am so excited to be working with her again. She's a mom, she does homemaking videos, fitness videos, cleaning motivation videos, and what I love about her video is her wellness videos. So definitely check her out, give her some love. All right, so today I hauled a little bit of everything, guys. It's not just gonna be makeup. It's everything for the family, some for my kids, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. First item that I bought is from Amazon. I was actually inspired by Jessica on this one. She puts her bath salts in these glass jars and they can sit this way. It looks very cute and decorative, or it could sit upward like this. So this came in a box of 2. They're very huge jars. This is such a nice organization idea because right now all of my bath salts are just in their bags, and I thought this would be nice to just kind of display them decoratively in the bathroom. Next item is I did get some makeup stuff from Sephora but this one first is from Ulta. I bought this with my points, I believe. There's a very good sale on this one, like almost 50% off, and I meant to buy this for my aunt because she needed a powder brush and she's looking for one that's like very fluffy and just something that helps kind of diffuses makeup a little bit. Very similar to the one I use. So I got her one. This is by It Cosmetics, by the way. This brush is called the Mega Powder Brush. Next item that I'm super excited for is the Liquid Touch Corrector by Rare Beauty. I got a sample of this in one of my Sephora orders, and I tried it and I really like it. What I like about it is just the hydrating factor it gives, but also really good coverage. So I love the packaging. Now that I look at it, it seems kind of light on me. Let's check it out. Oh no, I think it's gonna be okay. So there it is. Look at that, really good coverage. I like to use concealer to help me cover my under eye bags and dark circles. So I was running out of concealers. It was time to buy, so I got this one from Rare Beauty, guys. I've heard really good reviews, and actually one of our girls here in this collaboration actually reviewed the entire Rare Beauty line. I'll link her channel down below. Also, her name is Soraya from It's Me Soraya, so hopefully you can check her out as well. Next one I bought was inspired by her because I was thinking spring, summer, guys. It's time to put that SPF on real good. So this is the Innisfree Matte Priming Sunscreen. So this is supposed to be a mattifying sunscreen. You guys know I have oily skin, especially during the summer. I love to wear anything that's mattifying. And of course, we can't forget sunscreen. What is unique about this is that the Innisfree has a hydrating sunscreen and also a mattifying one. So depending on your skin type, you can buy what you need. And I love the pink bottle. You guys know I love pink, just like my nails. I'm curious to see if it's tinted here. Oh, it's not tinted, guys. It's probably more like a lotion that just blends in nicely into the skin. It does still have a little bit of white cast, but this is something that you could use for your face, and it has SPF 30. So this is going to be worth trying. So I'm excited about this. So another item from Amazon is this leopard print top. I just realized my very first time ever buying clothing from Amazon. I'm always very skeptical. I mostly shop at Nordstrom Rack, and Old Navy. Those are my two go-tos. I get a lot of children's clothing from Old Navy, also adult clothing, but I try to look for the sales from the rack because I can get tops and bottoms and dresses for like 20 bucks, and these clothes are like 60 to $80. So I get a good deal. And so when I have to go to Amazon and pay like $20, I'm very like it's brands I don't know or not so well-known brands, but I'm always open to that. Like Old Navy is affordable, but they have some really great quality clothing. So this one is the leopard top. And I'm going to be showing you guys a small clip at the end of this video, trying on all of the clothes that I bought. This is going to be kind of like my first time ever clothing haul. So I'm excited about that. Stay tuned at the end of this video. I love this leopard top. I figured I could pair it with some jeans, just very casual leading up to spring. Just add a nice kind of moto jacket and you're set. So it's in a very nice packaging, and the brand is Blooming Jelly. So I bought jeans, guys. I have to tell you, I literally have two jeans right now that works for me. It's either those two jeans or black leggings. That's all I wear on a daily, and I just needed to update my jean collection. I went a size up and I haven't been able to lose the weight, so that's okay. I'm not gonna stress about it. Both jeans are from Nordstrom. They had like a sale. I really don't buy anything from them that's not on sale, so I like to get a good deal. These are like around $40 jeans. They're originally $80. The first one I already tried on. Oh my gosh, super comfortable jeans. Look at this. It has like this stretch right here. Everything about it is super stretchy. It's high-waisted, and this is by Wit and Wisdom. I got a size 4 because it did say that you should size down when you're in between sizes, and I really am like between a 5 and a 7 right now, depending. So this one is like $68. I think I got this for around $40. I love the little distressing there. It just fits me like a glove. Like it hugs me in the right places. It hits me right at the ankle, which is what I love. A little bit below my ankle, but it's perfect. And if I wanted to turn this into like a longer capri, I think that would be perfect for the springtime. The other one, it just came in yesterday and I was waiting for this order. I ordered a black one. Cut from the cloth. They have very comfortable jeans and they're affordable. You can find them at Nordstrom Rack. When they go on sale, they could be like $27, $30 jeans, and they are one of the most comfortable jeans I've tried. I find that they run bigger than their size, so again I got a size 4, so I hope I get lucky with that. There's some distressing. It's not a black formal jean. There's a little bit of tearing there, which it didn't seem like it in the picture, so that's new to me. This is again high rise, so I love anything that's high rise because jeans that sit comfortably on my waistline kind of hides all of that muffin top, the mommy belly, and all that stuff. So I love that. There's some distressing right there. Super casual, and I will be trying it on and let you guys know if I like it. The rest of my haul, guys, is from Shein. I don't think I bought anything from Shein in the last year and a half. Like it's been a while. I want to say 2 years actually. It's been a while. So I went ahead and bought some clothing for my daughter and for myself. You have to watch out for Shein because, you know, sometimes their quality isn't that great. I did return some of the products that I bought already, and I just didn't want to show it in the haul. I bought some kids clothing. When I received my Shein haul, half of them were nicely packaged like this. They had like this Ziploc bag with the Shein logo and individually packaged. The other half though were just in these plastic bags. So wonk wonk. I was expecting each and every one of them to look like this. So this is the Shein Kids But for the adult clothing, it would be in this kind of baggie. Anyways, first one is this red top. It's kind of like a sweater top, which I thought she could wear for Valentine's, like the Valentine's week for church. I love that detail on the hand, that it's like tight on the arm, the 3 buttons. So yeah, this one is really good quality. I also want to preface that each and every one of these clothes, especially the kids clothing, are around $6. Like, you can't beat that. And the quality is amazing. This one was definitely a keeper. Super pretty. Next item, I thought she could just get a long sleeve shirt for school, so she can be festive on Valentine's Day. I love the 3 hearts, and this one is like a leopard print. Super cute, just a long sleeve shirt. When I was buying clothing from Shein, I was thinking about spring outfits. So something that's not heavy and you can transition from cold to warmer weather. So I love that. This is like super stretchy, super comfortable. It's not see-through. I gotta say, a lot of the Shein clothing are kind of see-through, so you have to watch out for that. The third sweater that I got her is this gray one. It's tied around the wrist. My favorite part is this, the lacing on the shoulder. This is the perfect lightweight spring sweater, because if it gets hot, you know, you can let air in through your sleeves. This is so well made, guys. Like, the quality is just on point. I wish they had a sweater like this for adults. Like, that would have been perfect. Okay, next item is this dress. Super cute. I love the color of this. It is a little see-through, but you can just wear a slip and you'll be fine. It has a pocket detail, which I didn't even know. Like, I just noticed there's pockets. I love dresses with pockets. I don't know, it just seems convenient. It has a ruffle neckline. It's sleeveless for when it gets hot, so I figured I can use this in the summertime or when the weather is hot in the spring, but just throw in a jacket and it's gonna look beautiful on. And some sandals. You can dress it up with high sandals or just flats. So I love this. And the color, right? It's like a minty green, like a muted minty green. Oh, I also got myself a Valentine t-shirt. And I picked large because I like my t-shirts to be super large and loose. I think it's cute. I don't know about the print here. It seems like it's an ironed on shirt. But again, guys, this t-shirt is probably $6. The dress is probably $12 tops. So you can't get dresses like that. You just can't. So it's just, it's an amazing deal. And then I got a couple of the same tops. And initially I got one of each color because they were like, I don't know, $8. It had to be like $6 to $8. Figured I could give these to my sister-in-laws, like depending on the sizing. So this one is small. It has like that peekaboo shoulder there. It's still long sleeve. So again, sticking with that spring theme where it's just very lightweight sweater. You can still feel warm in the mornings, but it's lightweight enough for the warmer weather. The one I'm keeping is this one, this mauve purple one. Super cute. I love the color. I already tried it on. I picked the medium because of the length, but for some reason it is so like wide across. So it looks super loose on me and yet a little short. So I don't know what happened there. I can still make it work, but it's not my favorite. Oh, and then this brown one is a large and I'm planning to give it to my other sister-in-law. So I think she will love this. And then this one, I'm so bummed. This is something that I saw Mare from Life with Mare also in this collab. She hauled this t-shirt and it's so cute. Like leopard lips. That is all me. And I love that it's black. It's a black shirt. I got it in a large, but it feels so small. Maybe I am starting to be a large. Who knows? I'm so bummed, but I know I have another sister-in-law that will really appreciate this t-shirt. That's the thing with Shein. It's hit and miss sometimes. My most favorite buy, again, like $12, is this dress. And I figured I can definitely use this. It has quarter sleeves and that detail, like that, the puffy detail, but it's tight around the shoulder, which I like because my shoulders aren't that flattering. Then the dress is so flowy and I love the color. It's perfect for the springtime because the sleeves are long enough and it's a midi length for me, which means it goes below the knee. It's still great for cooler weather, but it is thin enough for the summertime or warmer weather. So I love this. The real last item is this, guys. Sponges. And I love how they're different colors. I got this from Shein also, and they were like $1 something for 4 sponges. So I thought that was super affordable. I will update you guys here on the screen if this was actually nice. First impression, pressing it, and I think it's gonna be nice and bouncy like the Beauty Blender. It even is kind of shaped like the Beauty Blender almost. I'm really loving this. Look how bright the colors are, super cute. And I feel like they're like spring colors. Everything, guys. I hope you like this haul. Pretty much an all-around haul with a little bit of everything. If you have any questions about any of the products, let me know. I know with Shein, sizing is very critical and the quality and material. If you want to know more about the items that I shown, just comment it down below. Also, don't forget to check out my girls in this collab. Show them some love, see what they got. I'm sure each and every one of us has amazing hauls that are gonna keep you inspired, and in case you're wondering what to get this season. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.